Tim Thomas here. Great things are happening. In this video, I've got a video presentation of Wealth step by step. And we're going to go over what we feel that you can make with this program and what this program is about. We're going to go through it from A to Z, get in the quiet place. I'm going to roll the intro. And we'll talk about it on the other side. Tim Thomas here. In this video, Wealth Step by Step is becoming a household name. New members are joining daily. You're in the right place at the right time. I'm going to do a presentation of Wealth Step by Step, what it is, who the owner is, and what we feel that you can make in this program. We're going to give you some income examples in this presentation. Of course, as an income disclaimer, folks, in life, nothing happens until you take action and you follow the steps. Wealth Step by Step. Who is the owner of Wealth Step by Step? Wealth Step by Step was launched in 2021. It is a worldwide business opportunity. The company is located in West Valley, Utah. It's owned by Mr. Adam Walker. Since day one, Adam's focus, passion, and commitment was to create a company and a product line, an opportunity built on foundation of integrity. From creating magnificent levels of income and building strong networks of healthy, long-lasting relationships, making new friends, and having time to do the things you love with the people you love to be with. Wealth Step by Step is one of the easiest, duplicatable, profitable, home-based business opportunities available today, bar none. Anyone can succeed here. Why are so many people joining Wealth Step by Step? It is super simple. They are starting to build their own stream of monthly income. And we are seeing record job losses. We're seeing record food prices. High basic needs are through the roof. Increasing rent and mortgage payment, property taxes, increasing car and home insurance, increasing utilities and payments. That's why it is absolutely critical to start building your own stream of monthly income now. And with Wealth Step by Step, we're going to show you how. How much does it cost to join as a member of Wealth Step by Step? The cost to join as a member of Wealth Step by Step is just $28 and $28 per month for the product purchase. For your $28 per month product purchase, you're going to get an email autoresponder and customizable lead capture page. Also, Wealth Step by Step email autoresponder can hold up to 5,000 leads. Their custom lead capture page is one of the best in the industry, and it is sure to capture leads and to grow any business. Just put in the text, the links, the designs, the forwarding button, and the audio is already done for you. Their customizable lead capture pages gets people to choose how they want to be contacted, whether by email, text, or phone. No other lead capture page has these features. For $28 per month, product purchase covers your Wealth Step by Step personalized company website, fully functional back office so you can keep track of your commissions and your team. Folks, and also what's super exciting, we have another product coming soon, discount travel. Wealth Step by Step, the compensation plan. Wealth Step by Step has built a 3x7 force matrix. And the compensation plan is super simple to understand, which means each new Wealth Step by Step member that joins the business can only have 3 on their front line. If a Wealth Step by Step member enrolls 3 members into the business, those members will be called more than 3 members. They are considered spillover. So if you sponsor 3 members and then you see somebody that comes in and sponsors 3 members, anytime you sponsor more than 3 members, it is considered spillover and will be placed in the next available spot in your group. That step by member that does not have a frontline team member. So it fills from left to right. Pretty exciting to understand. This is true team building concept. It's very powerful. Also, each new member you personally enroll into the business, you will earn a one-time fast start bonus. You will also earn a commission within the 3x7 matrix as new members join your team. A completely filled 3x7 force matrix, you're going to have a total of $9,873 in commission. Let me ask you a question. Would an extra $9,873 per month, what would you do with that kind of income? How about payments on a brand new car or truck? How about the monthly mortgage payment on a dream home that you always wanted? Or maybe use some of the extra cash to pay off the balance on high interest credit cards. Folks, this is exciting. The step-by-step compensation plan. There are no guarantees in this illustration below. Your personal results will be fully dependent on your personal efforts and the efforts of your team. Commissions are paid the first week of each month for the previous month's sales. Here's our 3x7 force matrix. Our 3x7 force matrix is powerful, and it shows the monthly earning potentials. Level 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, and 7. Meaning 3 on your first level, you've got 9 on your second, you've got 27 on your third, you've got 81 on the fourth, you've got 243 on the fifth, 729 on the sixth. This thing totals out to 2,187 people for a total income of $9,873. Folks, this is exciting times ahead. And I tell you what, when you fill this matrix and as people start to join your team, it's everybody working together in synergy. You're getting help from above you, and you're getting help below you. Absolutely exciting. Remember, special note, you will earn a fast start bonus of $25 for each of your personal enrollments. How do we get paid? You can get paid out by the company. They'll pay you through Cash App, Zelle, Wise, or Bitcoin Cash. Other forms of payments are coming soon. Well, how can I introduce? You ask yourself the question, how can I introduce step-by-step business opportunity to others? We have a team flyer. Just mail our direct mail flyer to your prospects, introducing the step-by-step business opportunity. This is one of the easiest ways that you can build a team of business-minded people who would love to make money from home. If they decide to partner with you, you will earn commissions. Then their monthly purchase will come in over and over and over again as a residual income unto you. Very exciting. Our team flyer is available at www.yourplantowealth.com. We're going to go over there. That website again, where you can pick up the team flyer. This is a 100% duplicatable marketing system. Our team leader, Greg Bethea, has came up with an incredible system that we all can use. If you can mail a flyer, that again can be found over at www.yourplantowealth.com, you can make 5 figures per month in this program. Look at the flyer. Folks, we're going to go over there in just a minute and check it out. We have weekly Zoom meetings, step-by-step Zoom meetings every Monday night at 9 p.m. Eastern. You can join the meetings here, www.wsbszoom.com. Put in the code WSBS600, and you can win with that. We have a Facebook group. We have a Facebook group that is monitored by Susan McCook, and it is incredible. We have a private Facebook group, and it's very active. It has active distributors, and good news is always posted over there, achievements and milestones for members in our group. There are over 1,800 members in our Facebook group and growing daily. Very exciting. So very, very excited. How to join WELP step by step as a team member. If you're not a member of the WELP step by step and would like to join, I would encourage you to get back to whomever referred you to the system. Whomever got you in front of this information, I will encourage you to get back with that person and join as a member today. Get signed up today. Now, however, if you do not have a sponsor and you're not on anybody, list, or nobody else sent you this information, nobody sent you a flyer, here is a link. You can join directly through my website here at www.welptodaysystem3.com. www.welptodaysystem3.com. We're going to come back there, but I really want to show you the flyer. This is the machine behind our effort here today. This is the mastermind plan that is causing our team to explode in exponential growth, and it can and will explode your team. We're going to go right now to www.yourplantowealth.com. When you go there, you're going to come to a website that looks like this. What we need you to do is to enter your email to receive the latest updates. Greg Buffet, our team leader, will give you updates to the system. He'll keep you informed as to what's going on with WELP step by step. Put your email in and hit submit, and then you'll be on the email list to receive the updates. Click download the flyer. What you want to do, here is the flyer. Folks, let me tell you what, this is one of the highest converting flyers that I have seen to date, bar none. Been around a home-based business for over 12 years, and this is one of the best, if not the best, highest converting flyers I've ever had the privilege and the opportunity to mail. It has psychological triggers, and you want to join and order the flyer today. It is just that good. Listen to the 24-hour messages, and we'll go from there. Look at that, folks. It is just that simple. You're going to come down here after you join as a member. You're going to key your information. All of these fields here are editable. You're going to be able to edit and put your personalized information into the box. And then you're going to save it to your desktop. And then you can print this flyer out. You can have it printed at different print companies, wherever you do your print and mail at. You can even send it to the admin, our team leader, and we can get your flyer printed for you. Let's say, for an example, let's key the information in here. I'm going to go like a small tutorial. And whatever your website is.com. And you type your name here. You just delete this, what's already here. And let's just type a random name, Jason Moore, whatever your name is. And you can type your phone number. It's just that simple, folks. Folks, making 10 grand per month has never been this simple. This is just a made up number. And then you can save it. You can hit Control S and you can save it on your desktop. Folks, that is exciting times with yourplantowealth.com. Once again, if you are ready to join as a team member and you do not have a sponsor, if nobody has introduced you to this, WELP step by step, you can come right here, join through my website, again at www.welptodaysystem3.com. It's going to bring you to a website that looks like this. You're going to key in your first name, just for the sake of the video. I'll just put in my information, take the free tour. I'm going to come over here. Super simple to do, folks. And you're going to click, it'll be Timothy Thomas on the website here. Or again, if you have a sponsor, look for their name right here. You're going to click sign up, and then your sponsor information will be here. Go through, fill out this information, of course, US or wherever you're located. And you're just going to key in the necessary information, enter your card number, and hit proceed with the order. Well, friends, that is my time for today. You're in the right place at the right time. Welcome to the journey. Welcome to Wealth Step by Step. Again, I encourage you to get back with the person who referred you. If you don't have a sponsor, my link is below the video. Have a wonderful day. Bye for now, and we'll see you at the top with Wealth Step by Step.